students, welcome to today's math class, and today we'll do exponent and powers. Our learning objectives are exponent, law of exponent, expressing large number in the standard form or scientific notation of a number. First is exponents. If x is any natural number and n is an integer, then x is to power n, that is equals to x multiplied by x n times, where x is called the base and n is called the exponent or the index, and x is to power n is called the exponential expression of x is to power n. That is read as x raised to the power n or x to the power n or simply x power n. In particular, x is to power 1, that means x. Next is use of exponent in writing the number in extended form. We write expanded form of number as follow: 67,564, that can be written as expanded form 6 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 4. This is how we can write the given number in expanded form, which can be written as 67,564. 6 into 10,000 can be written as 6 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 plus 4. Clear? Base other than 10. Base other than 10, the base can also be any number other than 10. For example, 625 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 is to power 4. 5 multiplied by 5, that is 4 times, that is equals to 5 is to power 4. Here 5 is the base and 4 is the exponent of power. Same way 256, that is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 8 times, that is equals to 2 is to power 8. 7 is to power 4 means 7 multiplied by itself 4 times. Here 7 is the base, this number is base, and this is called the power or the exponent. So 4 is the exponent or power. Next is special name of powers. Some power have a special name. 10 is to power 2, which is 10 raised to the power 2, is also read as 10 squared. 10 is to power 3, which is 10 raised to the power 3, is also read as 10 cubed. Or 1000 is the third power of 10, 10,000 is the fourth power of 10, 243 is the fifth power of the 3, as 243 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 5 times, or 3 is to power 5. Next is generalization. Instead of taking a fixed number, let us take any variable integer as the base. X multiplied by x 2 times, that is x square or x squared, 3 times x multiplied by x 3 times, that is x is to power 3 or x cube. X multiplied by x 4 times, that is x is to power 4 or x raised to the power 4, like this. Here x multiplied by x 3 times plus y multiplied by y 2 times, that is equals to x is to power 3 multiplied by y is to power 2, read as x cubed or y squared. Clear? X cube and y square. Next is negative integer as base. We can also extend the exponent way of writing when the base is a negative integer. Minus 3 is to power 3, that is equals to minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 3 times, that is equals to minus 27. Next is power of 1 and minus 1. 1 raised to the any power 1. 1 is to power 5, that is equals to 1. 1 is to power 6, that is equals to 1. So 1 raised to the any power, that is equals to 1. Here minus 1 raised to the power 5, that is equals to minus 1. Here if minus 1 power odd number है, that is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 की power जो है, that is even number, that's value is positive 1. Clear? Thus minus 1 raised to the any odd power, that is equals to negative 1, and minus 1 raised to the any even power, that is equals to positive 1. Clear? Next, any negative integer raised to the any odd power is negative किसी भी नेगेटिव नंबर की अगर पावर ऑड है तो वो नेगेटिव होगा उसकी वैल्यू. If negative integer raised to the power even power, then its value is positive. Now we'll take an example. Find the value of 6 is to power 4. So 6 multiplied by 6 4 times, that is equals to 1296. Next, some common mistakes. Minus 2 whole power 2 है, that is equals to 4, that is correct. Minus देन 2 is to power 2. तो यहाँ पे 2 की पावर है, माइनस के ऊपर नहीं है. सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 4, दैट इज रॉन्ग. माइनस 2 is to power 2, दैट इज माइनस बाहर आएगा, एंड 2 is to power 2, दैट इज माइनस 4. क्लियर? नोट दैट इन 2 and 3 above, the negative sign is outside the bracket. Thus, even after squaring a number, the product has a negative sign. Clear? Next is exercise 4.1. Express the following in exponential form. 5 multiplied by 5 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll write in exponential form as 5 is to power 5. Clear? Next is laws of exponent. The laws of exponents are very useful in number evolving exponent to do the operation of multiplication and division. Law 1. To multiply two numbers with the same base, add their power. If base is same, what we'll do? We'll add the power. So x is to power m multiplied by x is to power n, that is equals to x is to power m plus n. Here, if the bases are the same, then the powers are added in the multiples of numbers. We'll take an example. Simplify and write the answer in exponential form. 5 is to power 2 multiplied by 5 is to power 4. That is base same, so we'll add the powers. So 5 is to power 2 plus 4, that is equals to 5 is to power 6. Clear? Next, law 2. To divide a number with the same base, subtract their power and write the difference as exponent. X is to power m divided by x is to power n. Base same है, divide करना है, so we'll subtract the power. X is to power m minus n, where m is greater than n. Clear? In case n is greater than m, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon n minus m. Clear? Next is, we'll take an example. Simplify and write in exponential form. 2 is to power 7 divided by 2 is to power 4. So divide में है तो पावर क्या हो जाएंगी? सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगी. 2 is to power 7 minus 4, that is 2 is to power 3. Law 3. For any rational number with a negative integral exponent, its equivalent is 1 divided by that number with the same exponent but in positive form. X is to power minus m है. So what we'll do? हम इसको क्या करेंगे? नीचे ले जाएंगे. So that is equals to x is to power m. Clear? और पावर जो है वो क्या हो जाएगी? That will become the positive. Next is example 8. Simplify and write in exponential form. 3 is to power minus 7 negative power है. So what will we do? 1 upon 3 is to power 7 and the power will become positive. Next, law 4. To find the exponential value of a number which already has another exponent, multiply the two exponents and write them in exponential form with the same base. The product is a new exponent. X is to power m, ब्रैकेट में है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय n. सो क्या हो जाएगी? पावर्स मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी. x is to power m into n. We'll take an example here. ब्रैकेट के अंदर 4 is to power 2 and बाहर है 3. सो पावर क्या हो जाएगी? मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. 4 is to power 2 into 3, that is equals to 4 is to power 6. Next is law 5. Any non-zero number raised to the power is 0 equals to 1. 7 is to power 0, किसी की पावर 0 उसकी वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? 1. 7 is to power 0, that is 1. Clear? 5 is to power 6 minus 6, that is 5 is to power 0, that is equals to 1. Next is law 6. If x is a non-zero rational number, then x is to power 1, that is equals to x. Example लेते हैं. Find the value of 5 is to power 4 divided by 5 is to power 3. Divide में है, that means power subtract हो जाएंगी. We can also write 5 is to power 4 minus 3, that is 5 is to power 1, that is equals to 5. Clear? Next, law 7. If there are two rational numbers with the same exponent which is an integer, their product will also have the same exponent. X is to power a multiplied by y is to power a. So exponent क्या है? Power same है. So simply we'll write their product. Base का product हो जाएगा x into y and same power आ जाएगी a. Clear? Like x is to power a divided by x, y is to power a. So that is equals to x upon y whole power a. Now we'll take an example. Simplify. 2 is to power 3 multiplied by 3 is to power 3. Base are different but powers are same. So what we'll do? We'll find the product of 2 and 3. 2 into 3 and the whole power is 3. Clear? So that is equals to 6 is to power 3. Clear? 2 into 3 is to power 3. We can also write 2 multiplied by 2 3 times, multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 3 times, to 2 into 3 multiplied by 2 into 3 2 into 3. So that is equals to 6 into 6 into 6. 3 times होगा 6 to the power 3. Clear? Next is exercise 4.2. Simplify using law of exponent. First is x is to power 5 multiplied by x is to power 4. So here base are same. So simply we'll add the power. So that is equals to x is to power 5 plus 4. That is equals to x is to power 9. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Expressing large number in the standard form. Or we can say scientific notation of a number. Any number can be expressed in the scientific notation in the form of k into 10 to the power n, where k is equal to 1 or more than 10. 1 but less than 10. So here k is, k की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे? k is more than 1 but less than 10 and n is an integer. For example, 1.2 into 10, that is equals to 12. So 12 can be written as 1.2 into 10 is to the power 1. Similarly, 6.23 into 100, that can be written as 623 or 623. So 623 can be written as 6.23 into 10 is to the power 2. Clear? So this notation is very helpful to express very large or very small numbers. For example, the distance between the earth and the moon is about 3,70,000 kilometers. If we have to express this in scientific notation, steps क्या हो जाएंगे? Convert the large number into decimal number where the decimal is placed after the first non-zero digit. So 3,70,000. So after 3 we put the decimal. So 3.70000 into 1 lakh kilometer. Step 2 क्या हो जाएगा? The number of jump become the power of 10. Clear? In the given example, there are 5 jump, thus 3,70,000 किसके equal हो जाएगा? 3.7 into 10 is to power 5 kilometer. Clear? Now we'll take an example. Write the following numbers in the scientific notation. So we have to write this number into scientific notation. So after first non-zero digit, we'll place the decimal. So 7.53 into, how many zeros are there? 2, 4, 5. 5 and हमने क्या किया है? हमने decimal लगाया यहाँ पे 7 के बाद after 2 digits. So we'll write it as 10 is to power 7. Clear? Decimal को हमने कहाँ place किया है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 digits, so we'll write it as 7.53 into 10 to the power 7. Clear? Next is exercise 4.3. Express the following numbers in scientific notation. So in this number, we'll write 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . 7.970000 . A2 into 10 is to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 is to power 5. That is our answer. So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is summary. If x is a non-zero rational number where a and b are positive integer, then x is to power a multiplied by x is to power b, that is equals to x is to power a plus b. Second, x to power a divided by x is to power b, that is equals to x is to power a minus b, where a is greater than b. X is to power a divided by x is to power b equals to 1 upon x is to power b minus a, where b is greater than a. X is to power a multiplied by b, that is equals to x is to power a b. X to power 0, that is equals to 1. X is to power 1, that is equals to x. X is to power a into y is to power a, that is equals to x y is to power a. X is to power a upon y is to power a, that is equals to x upon y whole power a. If x is a non-zero rational number and a is an integer, then x is to power minus a, that is equals to 1 upon x to power a. The number can be expressed as k into 10 to the power n, where k is equal to 1 or more than 1 but less than 10. Clear? And n is an integer. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. Minus 1 upon 2 is to power minus 6. Minus 1 upon 2 is to power minus 6 है. So पॉजिटिव करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, इसको नीचे ले जाएंगे, इसको ऊपर. सो 2 अपॉन माइनस 1 इज टू पावर 6, that is equals to 64. So A is the correct option here. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.